Amsterdam calling, so pick up.
So how is everyone doing tonight? I'm Dam Jerry with Amsterdam Calling, hoping all of your days are lief, leuk en lekker. And tonight I am standing here in Eindhoven for the Glow Light Festival. And you remember that about 4 years ago we were here right before COVID, and boy was I impressed and blown away. There are over 30 light installations, most of them are huge, and the whole town comes out. It's free, by the way, and there's a 5-kilometer walking route, and the whole town comes out and walks the route together, and it's like one big party. Very fun, a lot of people moving like a herd of cows. Time for a coffee break. Rushing through me, down, upstream, are you with me? the oliebollen creme cart, chock full of sugary, fried, sweet snacks, which I love it, and always talk about how bad they are, but I end up eating them anyway. What an epic night. That wraps up Glow 2023 here in Eindhoven. And after walking 5.0 kilometers and after a glue wine or so, I still feel energized. What a cool night. Anyway, I'm Dam Jerry for Amsterdam Calling, hoping all of your days are lief, leuk en lekker. Tot de volgende keer.